gonna act like you're reaching for it?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put my head up and just drive right. So it's gonna look stupid. Is your window down?
Yeah.
I'm not even letting anything in my face. I'm just gonna drive.
It's gonna seem like
Dude, I'm coming here much. I'm coming here all the time. Dude, what if we know this guy? If I say don't, then don't. Because it's gonna have to be a quick reaction from you because we need to go this fast.
Dude, I already did this shit once, man.
Okay, dude, get ready.
Dude, we're done after this.
Dude, fuck yeah, we are just going.
Dude, I don't even know.
What are you doing? Dude, you need to order. You have the money.
Fine, I'll get it.
Dude, what the fuck?
Get out of here, go.
What took you so long, Miles?
Dude, I didn't know if you were waiting. Get out of here.
I can't, bro. Dude, what the fuck?